In 2003, SMINO was organized, and it stands for Security Managers Information Network of Ohio. It's basically comprised of public and private safety professionals who work together to address issues, either suspicious activity or criminal activity downtown. Downtown Columbus is one of the safest precincts in the city of Columbus, and the partnership that the Division of Police has with Cimino has made that happen.
It became clear to me that Cimino was important in 2010 when we had a significant crime occur on campus. We quickly gathered the information. The person that committed the crime got it out to our Cimino partners, and within about 8 hours, we had the person identified, located, and arrested.
The sharing of information has been great for everybody involved. Capital Crossroads facilitated that when Lisa started doing the Cimino meetings, and it's kind of ballooned into a lot of other different ways to share information between not only Capital Crossroads and what their ambassadors find out, but also the security managers for all the buildings downtown and the police department. So not only are we providing them information, they're providing information back to us.
Since 2003, we've added some tools. We have a security website now in which people can communicate in real time about persons of interest and suspicious activity. We have an 800 megahertz radio system in place, which all security partners can communicate in real time with one another, including with the Division of Police. And then we have our bi-monthly meetings in which we offer up training. We've had great partners, Division of Police, Division of Fire, the Prosecutor's Office. I think members have found to be real valuable.
I think it's a model. You talk about public-private partnerships, a lot of them don't work. This one certainly worked. And I think the police value this as much as we did.
Lisa and Cimino have come together very well. I think Lisa's part in this has been instrumental because she's very good at building partnerships and tearing down barriers, which is typically what is very difficult when building those partnerships between public and private organizations. I think there is an elevated level of trust.
Because of the incidents around 9/11 and also the more recent incidents related to the Boston Marathon, it's become even more critical that the public sector and the private sector work really closely together. So when there are events like Race for the Cure and Columbus Marathon, all the private partners out there are serving as eyes and ears for the division, and they know the number to contact if they see anything that remotely seems suspicious, and the police take that very seriously and are able to follow up with that in a really timely manner.
So the takeaway would be we're in this together and we can learn a lot from each other, and it is worthwhile.
I think that the Cimino group and the CIS are pretty remarkable, particularly in the state of Ohio, because we have 50 security partners out there downtown. They're working together and they're able to communicate in real time, and that's, I think, pretty darn remarkable.